All right, my people, welcome, my people. This is another one reaching us. Yoruba Nation, no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are still talking about. Well, my people, this one is very strong. Kosi baba ńlá ẹni náà tó máa sọ pé Yorùbá Nation kò ní dúró. Well, and then my brother, my sister, this one is coming from the chief imam of Yoruba land in Ilorin. And then this time around, this man had been able to let us understand everything that is going on as far as Yoruba Nation is concerned, as far as the declaration is concerned, as far as the movement is concerned. He said a lot of things. Well, my people, this one is strong. Well, I think the Yoruba Nation agitators right now should continue to be prayerful unto this matter, unto this actualization, unto the declaration, most especially the mega rally that is coming up any moment from now. Well, the truth of the matter is the good Lord is in this matter. There is nothing anything can do about it to stop it. And at this time around, the chief imam of Yoruba land in Ilorin had been able to speak. In fact, he exposed a lot of things. And then he said that since Afonja was killed, according to what he said, since Afonja was killed, that the Fulani had been able to penetrate in the Yoruba land, and for the benefit of majority of people. I know some set of people will know who Afonja is. Well, and then right now he said since Afonja was killed, that the Fulani killers had invaded Yoruba land. And meanwhile, he had been able to make us understand that the Fulani had been able to occupy about 92 compounds in the land, that they have about 92 houses in Ilorin, compared to the Ilorin people that they have about 6,019 houses. That because of this, the Fulani should not be able to overcome the Yoruba people, because the Yoruba people are more than the Fulani in Ilorin. But meanwhile, according to him, he said since the Seriki of Igangan had been sent away, he ran down to Ilorin, and since he got to Ilorin, a lot of souls had been kidnapped. In fact, kidnapped increased in that land. And meanwhile, he says he's calling on everyone to be at alert this time around. But the truth of the matter is, as far as Yoruba Nation movement is concerned, as far as Yoruba Nation is concerned, nobody can stop the declaration. Nobody can stop the actualization of Yoruba Nation. That the person might just be dreaming, but it shall be actualized. I think that's another good news. And then meanwhile, he exposed a lot of things. He made us understand that the Fulani people, that their purpose, their aim, their objective is to take over Yoruba land. In fact, all Yoruba lands that, according to what their forefathers had told them, that Yoruba land belonged to them, that this time around they are coming to take over Yoruba land, that it is the Yoruba people that should not sleep. Because right now, as far as the Serikins are concerned, in fact, they now have about 47 Seriki Fulani all over Yoruba land. That's another serious one. He said they have about 47 Seriki Fulani all over Yoruba land, that they have in Ekiti, they have in Ijebu, they have in Lagos, or your Ibadan, all over Yoruba land. And then this one is trying to let us understand that these people are not joking at all. And then according to him, he said they don't want any of these people anymore in their land, because we don't know what exactly are these Serikin, what is their job, according to what they have said, what is their job, but we will not allow them to continue to dominate us. And then according to him, he said as far as is concerned, with his kind of title, that he is not supposed to be saying he wants to be fighting for the peace of the land. With the kind of title he has, he's not supposed to be the one to be running everywhere, elter skelter, or every corner, to say he wants to protect the people. But the fact remains that as far as the Ilorin is concerned, He said, and I quote, most of the notable people in Ilorin are no more. And then as it stands, there is nothing he can do than to do the needful by going around and then save lives and properties in that land. But as far as he is concerned, that there is no Fulani that can not dare him to say he want to attack him, that he can go anywhere freely. And that's exactly what he's saying to the people, that the people themselves should just be calm, that since Fulani cannot attack him, definitely they will not be able to attack any of the indigents of the state, any indigent of the state, so to say, anyway. And then he had made us to understand that right now the Fulani are not sleeping at all, because they have strategized different plans. But at the end of the day, we shall be victorious. The Yoruba people shall be victorious. All right. So, and then according to the chief imam of Yoruba land in Ilorin, he had been able to let everyone understand that during the time the Seriki Fulani of Igangan was sent out of Igangan, that the next place he returned to was Ilorin. And then since he embarked in Ilorin, since he got to Ilorin, that a lot of people have been kidnapped. In fact, the Alhaji Atere was kidnapped. That was the time Alhaji Atere was kidnapped. That was the time the Bale of Sokoto was kidnapped. A lot of people like that. But the fact now remains that these Fulani are showing to us, they are proving to us that they actually want to take over Yoruba land, of which we are not going to allow them. And he has said it that he doesn't know what this set of people are actually looking for. That he doesn't know their jobs, the jobs of the Serikin in their community. He doesn't know their job, because all they do is to come and settle down and be kidnapping, killing, butchering people, and they take ransom, of which we will not allow. We won't allow them in Ilorin. Yes, so we will not allow them, according to what he has said so far. He said there is no space for them in Ilorin, no, to rear animals. So what are they looking for? And that's another one. You are not coming to rear animals, you are not coming to do any job, but you are just coming to sit and cause havoc. We will not allow this to happen. And exactly the words of the chief. Our prayer is that the good Lord will continue to help him onto this one, because it's not easy. Chief Sunday Igboho had done his part. Right now, Chief Sunday Igboho is not even in the no country to say he want to fight for these people. But I think everyone who is out there who can do his best should just try to make sure people sleep peacefully, because this time around is not a time to sleep with two eyes closed, and exactly what it is. And then my brother, somebody was telling me that brother, this one will be time to come they sleep with two eyes, so because all these people they will come for midnight to come they buy people, and exactly what it is. How long are we going to continue like this? That's why the people have been shouting we want to go our separate ways. Why will you be in a country you will not have rest of mind? Even people in diaspora, what took them, what sent them to diaspora was because the house had not been in order. And then instead of people were like, okay, fine, let's just go for a greener pasture. Let's try and make things happen. Then we come back home, we invest. But the reverse had been the case. Each time these people come home to say they want to invest, the next thing they will be kidnapped and killed. Who will be happy with such a kind of thing? That's why the people are saying that we need to be on our own. A lot of things were actually said onto this. And then meanwhile, according to the chief imam, he made us understand that according to what he said, I quote, my job is not supposed to be joining such activities in Yoruba land, but I have no option than to make sure my people have peace of mind, because all important Yoruba persons have all died. That's serious. The majority of the important people that are supposed to be doing this are no more, and then it has no other alternative but to fight for his people. Well, a lot of things are no actually being said onto this one. My people, our prayer is that the good Lord will continue to protect us in Yoruba land. Well, the whole truth had been that everybody needs to wake up and be vigilant, because these people are not joking. Don't let anybody deceive you that nothing they happen. Don't let anybody deceive you on that. You have to just wake up and do the needful, and exactly what it is. Meanwhile, he had made us understand that as far as Yoruba nation is concerned, it shall be actualized. In fact, I love that part whereby he said that wọn tí bí yálàyà anybody re tó máa sọ pé Yoruba nation kò ní dúró. All right, my people, this is what it is on today's one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.